Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNC. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you how you can use your desktop Chrome browser to do a full page screenshot. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Now, if you're looking for ways to do a full page screenshot, right? Basically, it's very simple. Okay. Over here, if you can see, some of you might having this kind of like need, right? If you are thinking of like, hey, I'm browsing a very long website, okay, or a very long web page, and you want to do a full page screenshot. Yeah. So how do you do that? So if you can see, currently I'm viewing my website and I'm still scrolling down, and I've yet to reach to my very bottom of my web page, right? So this is the moment that sometimes if you are to do a screenshot, you will only be able to do a partial screenshot. So meaning only this particular section or this section by alone, right? And you won't be able to do a full page screenshots right here. So how do you able to create something like this? So if you can see over right here, this is like an image, okay? An image, or you can do it in the image format or a PDF format, and you will be able to screenshot the whole web page from the top all the way to the bottom, yeah? As long as it's within the one page scrolling, yeah? So as long as within the one page scrolling from all the way to the top and scroll all the way to the bottoms of right here, yeah? So how do we do this, right? So first of all, you will need to be on Google Chrome browser, yeah? So right now I'm on Google Chrome, and what you need to do is you need to search and install a Google Chrome extension. And this extension is called Google Chrome GoFullPage. Okay? Yep. So once you do your search over right here, you'll be able to see most of the time the first listing. Yeah, but just double check. You will see something called chrome.google.com, and it's called GoFullPage. Alright? So you can click into this link, and over right here, we are going to install this. Yeah. So if you can see, on the right, there's this add to Chrome. Okay. But I want you to pay attention. So when the moment that I click this add to Chrome, right, it will actually pop up a message and ask you to add extension to double confirm. So once I click on the add extension, later on what will happen is that by right, you should get this little icon to show it at your extension bar right here. Okay, so you will see that this exact icon showing over right here. Now, if you don't see that icon, something is wrong. Okay, so you need to double check to ensure that it's showing right there. So let me just do this. Click extension and pay attention over right here. Yeah. So once it's successful, you can see over right here, there's this little thing right there, right? Icons over right here. But in any case that any one of you, after you add the extension, you added the extension and you don't see that icon, yeah? Don't worry, don't panic. You can look for these extension icons over right here. Click on this and see if you can find the extension called GoFullPage. Yep, so what you can do, you can click on this pin icon, and here we go. You'll be able to get this icon out, yeah, right here again. So this is what we need in order for us to do the full page screenshot right here, yeah. So right now, you can just go to the website or the web page that you would like to do the screenshot. Okay, now regardless, okay, you don't need to scroll all the way to the top and then only click on the icon. Yeah, even you are actually at the in the mid of the website or at the bottom of the page, you can still click on that icon. It will work perfectly fine, right? So right now I'm somewhere at the middle of my website, right? So what I will do right here, I will just click on this icon and observe, right? You will actually drag all the way to the top and you will start to screenshot from the top all the way to the bottom. And automatically, it will open up a new tab and it will show you the preview. So isn't it, like very fast, right? So if you can see, this is like a full page screenshot of the website. Yeah. So as long as it's within the same page scrolling, it will screenshot all the way from the top to the bottom. And once you get this preview, what you can do is you can actually just click on this download. You can choose to download as an image in the form of like .png, or you can also choose to download as the PDF. All right, you can also choose the PDF. So like I mentioned, you don't necessarily need to scroll all the way up. Even though you're at the bottom of the page, in the middle of the page, you can still achieve this, with the exact results. Now, only one note that you need to take notes right here. Okay, only one thing that you need to take notes right here. For example, you cannot switch to other tab when you are performing this function. So meaning to say, right now I'm on my website. So I want to do the screenshot, the full page screenshot on this page. However, when the moment that I click on this icon, and when it's, scrolling, right, suddenly I think of like, hey, I want to switch to another tab for continuations of viewing. All right. So I was just thinking, I don't want to wait for the, the extension to load all the way to the bottoms, right? Can I just switch to another tab to view other content? Will it still work behind, like at the background? Unfortunately, it doesn't work. Yeah. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. So if you are doing the full page screenshot and if you switch to another tab, the function will just stop. Okay, the function will just stop. So you would need to come here and be on the same page until it loads finish. So you just need to be patient and wait over right here, and until it finish, until it load the whole screenshot preview for you to download. Yeah, so you cannot just like, let's say the page that you are trying to screenshot is very, very long, and you are thinking of like, I want to, switch to another tab, then only I come back to check on the screenshots. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. Yeah, so you need to be on the same tab when you are doing the one page screenshots, right? All right. So basically, in this video, this is what I would like to share with you, how you can actually do a very quick one by just installing the Google Chrome extension called GoFullPage, and you'll be able to achieve something that we call a one-page screenshot of your whole web page. All right, so that's all for this video. If you like our video, remember to give us a like and help us to share. And if you successfully able to achieve the full page screenshot, remember to leave a comment below and let us know. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.